The leaves have started to change and there is a crisp coolness to the air. I am getting my home ready for the fall season by sharing this stunning fall table decor. I have this beautiful tablecloth that I picked up from HomeSense, and I've got a nice runner made out of linen draped in the center. So if you know me by now, I love to incorporate nature into my home. So I'm taking some branches that I had foraged, trimming them down, leaving some nice and long, and I'm going to just put them down the middle of my table. Now this is something that I absolutely love to do. I'm not going to be making an arrangement here that's going to be permanent. I'm just going to be creating one right here on top of the table. It's really easy to do, and I do it all the time. That way here, you can reuse any of your items that you are going to be using today. I've got these leaves. I believe I picked these up from Michael's. I got them on a 2-for-1 sale. I'm just going to add those in. And then I've got these eucalyptus leaves that are in fall colors as well. I'm going to incorporate those into the center just so that color is spread throughout. These beautiful fall colored mums are nice golden yellow. I picked these up from Dollar Tree. I believe it was last year. Dollar Tree has really improved their florals. I'm so picky when it comes to my florals. And when I saw these, I was really impressed. I just removed a few of them, added them on either end and on either side. I also have these beautiful green hops, again from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to trim those down and incorporate some throughout. Now, as you can see, I'm only going to be trimming some of them off. That way here, if you, again, want to reuse these for anything, you still can. And then I'm just going to use some of these stems here and there and leaving them long. I'm trying not to cut anything down too much. That is the beauty of this, making it so you can reuse it anytime. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some more branches as needed. Something like this is all about layering, so you can go really crazy here if you'd like. If you have a really nice good base with the branches and some of those wire stems, you can see how you can nicely build things on top of each other. So now I'm going to add a bit more golden yellow, these again from Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. And you're going to be hearing me say that a lot. Just again, trimming them down and incorporating them in, spreading the color throughout. So at this point, I thought I should probably break up some of the darker colors. So I'm adding these off-white wild roses. I think these ones came from Dollarama. I'm not 100% sure because I didn't have the tag left on them anymore, but I just cut those down and put those in. And now I'm going to add all these beautiful pumpkins. I am wanting to elevate some of them, which I will show you here in a minute. But what I did was placed one of these little wood stumps down, and then I just kind of placed the pumpkin on top. That helped to elevate it a little bit, and I'll show you that here in a second. And then I'm going to just go ahead and add my other ones in. Now, the 2 ceramic pumpkins, the 2 different colors, the green and the off-white, those ones are from Dollar Tree, and these fabric pumpkins are actually pumpkins that I had made. So I'm going to have the tutorial for that for you down in the video description as well as pinned in the comment section. So I'm going to now add some fairy lights. You could incorporate some battery operated candles throughout, but I love the beautiful glow of fairy lights, and it just adds such a whimsical touch. Now at this point, I actually kind of wish I would have added a layer of lights underneath before I added all my stuff, but I just made do. So what you want to do is hide your battery pack, but making it still accessible. And then you're just going to weave those lights in and around. This is a silver strand. You can get these in copper, and I think I actually have seen them with a green wire now as well. So I'm just, like I said, weaving them in and out, lifting things up as I go, and I ended up using 2 strands of 30 lights. So I tucked those in and underneath, as well. Here I'm adding some more branches. They're hemlock branches and they've got such interesting texture. For another added natural touch, I'm incorporating some pine cones that I had foraged in different shapes and sizes. Now I'm going to work on my place setting. I'm just keeping it super simple because there's such a beautiful pattern on the tablecloth. I didn't add a placemat or anything. I just put a beautiful Dollar Tree fall napkin, cutlery, and a wine glass. This was such an easy tablescape to put together for the fall season. I am so excited for fall this year. It's been so hot in the summertime. I am definitely looking forward to these nice, cool temperatures and to get outside and do some foraging for projects like this. The evening glow is absolutely gorgeous. It just adds such a beautiful, cozy warmth to our home. Here's more fall DIY projects for you to check out right here. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.